James, wake up. James, listen.
What is that?
I don't know.
I will go and check the kids.
Mom, is everything okay?
Mary, please don't panic.
What happened?
Your father.
Mom, what happened to Dad? Mom, please talk to me. He fell, Mary, on the farm this afternoon. I didn't want to call. He told me not to call, but... Mary, I am scared. Don't worry, Mom. I am coming. Don't let him walk. I am coming tonight. How are you going to do it, Mary? It is midnight. Okay, Mom. We are coming tomorrow morning, I promise. Thank you, my child.
Mary? Who was that?
My mom called. She said my father is hurt, James. We need to go to the village.
Okay, don't worry, I will pack the car.
Okay, James. Thank you. How are the kids?
They are fine, Mary. They are sleeping calmly.
All right, let me go see Ella.
The loud noise was caused by a toy box falling in Mira's room.
Okay. Mira, wake up.
No, it is still night.
It is 6 o'clock. We are going to the village.
The village is not open until 9.
The village is not a shop, Mira. Get up.
Mom, I am ready. I packed my bag.
Josh, your shoes.
Oh, I was excited. I didn't notice.
Fix your shoes.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, sandwiches, water bottles, snacks, Ella's bag, map. Wait, I have a phone. I don't need a map. Ella, am I forgetting something?
Goo, ah!
You're right, coffee. I am definitely forgetting coffee.
It is still dark outside. I know, Josh. Sleep in the car.
Mom, why are we going so early?
Because the village is far, Mira, 4 hours.
Hours? That is so long.
The city is so quiet. I have never seen it like this.
This is what the city looks like when people are still sleeping.
Okay, it is really beautiful.
Everyone, please put on your seatbelt.
Okay, Dad.
Josh, Mira, Grandpa is hurt. He needs to rest and he needs our help. When we arrive, we are going to help. That means real work, farm work.
What kind of farm work?
The farm work is feeding animals, watering the garden, fixing the fence.
Yes, real work. I am strong. I am ready.
Mom, are there insects on the farm?
Yes, many.
Big insects?
Yes, very big insects.
I am going to wait in the car.
You are not waiting in the car, Mira.
I will hold Ella. Someone must hold Ella.
Remember, Ella can walk, Mira.
She is very small. She needs my help.
Mira, we are all going to the farm. I understand your fear, but don't worry, you will be fine.
Is this going to be the worst holiday? I don't like insects.
It is not a holiday, Mira. We are on a mission.
I understand we have to help Grandma, but I wish there are no insects.
Don't worry, Mira. We'll stick together.
Mom, look. Cows.
Yes, those are dairy cows. They give us milk.
Mom, look. What are those animals?
Those are goats, Josh.
Like Grandpa's goat?
Yes, farmers keep goats for milk and for meat.
Goats give milk like cows?
Yes, goat milk is very healthy. Some people prefer it to cow milk. I drink goat milk. You have eaten goat cheese, Josh, many times.
What? That was goat!
What did you think cheese was made from?
I thought cheese was just cheese from the shop.
Josh, the shop gets it from
Do not say goat.
A goat. I will never eat cheese again.
Josh, you eat cheese every single day.
That was before I knew the truth. Josh, many of our foods come from animals and farms.
Milk, eggs, honey, meat, leather, wool for our jumpers.
My jumper?
Wool comes from sheep.
This is a sheep?
Josh, put your jumper back on. It is cold.
Wow. I am learning too many things today.
Ella, pay attention so you won't miss it. Education is happening.
Okay, both of you, look out the window. What else do you see? I see trees, many trees.
A river! There is a river, Dad!
That river goes all the way to Grandpa's village.
Wow, look look at all the goats.
They're having fun out there.
This is so beautiful.
See them. Dad, the road is so bumpy.
Yes, thank you, Josh. I noticed.
Are we there? Almost there, 3 more minutes. Mom, there is nothing here. No shops, no buildings, just trees. I know, isn't it beautiful? It is very green. I love it. It smells different.
That is fresh air, Josh. Your lungs are confused because they have never experienced it.
I want to live here.
All right, we're here. It's beautiful.
Wow, a farm.
Let's go explore.
My babies are here.
Grandma Rose.
Ah, look at you, both of you. You grew. When did you grow?
I eat vegetables, Grandma.
Good boy. Oh my goodness, look at this baby. Look at these cheeks. These cheeks belong to me now.
She is strong, James. She is so strong.
She takes after her grandmother.
Smart man, come inside. I cooked since 6 o'clock this morning.
My family!
Grandpa, we came.
I see that you are taller, definitely taller.
I grew 3 centimeters this year.
3 centimeters, what are you eating?
Vegetables and apparently goat cheese.
Okay.
Does your leg hurt, Grandpa?
Only when I try to walk, the doctor says 6 weeks.
6 weeks? That is very long.
Too long. I am not a man who sits. I am a man who works.
Dad, you will sit. For 6 weeks you will sit. We are here now.
Mary, the farm today and tomorrow rest, Mr. Daniel. You are a good man, James.
What about me, Grandpa?
You are a good boy.
No, Grandpa. I'm a man now.
Okay, you are a good little man.
Grandma, what are you cooking?
I am cooking rice and stew, fried plantain, vegetable soup, and groundnut cake for the children.
All of that?
You drove 4 hours, you need energy.
Mom, we need to visit Grandma every weekend.
I fully agree, Mum. You didn't have to cook so much.
Don't worry, my child. Stir the soup slowly, don't stop.
Yes, Grandma.
That's my girl.
Perfect.
I will go and check on Dad.
Grandma, what is in the soup?
Vegetables from the garden. Tomatoes, peppers, spinach, onions. You grew all of this yourself? Every single one. From a small seed. That is the magic of patience, Mira.
A tiny seed becomes all this food?
Yes, a small seed, water, sunlight, time, and love. You cannot rush a good thing.
My teacher says the same thing about studying.
Your teacher is very wise. Also, don't stop stirring.
Okay, sorry, Grandma. Why is the pig's pen broken?
Bruno, he broke the pen.
Who is Bruno, and where is he?
Bruno is the big pig. Grandma said he ran away yesterday and came back this morning. He is somewhere on the farm.
I want to find Bruno.
Josh, I need you to listen to me very carefully. Do not chase the pig.
I won't chase him.
Do not feed him from your hand.
Okay.
Do not make eye contact.
Dad, he is a pig, not a lion.
Josh, trust me on this one.
Okay, the chickens need feeding first, then the goats, then the vegetable garden needs water, and someone needs to find the missing goat.
How do you find a missing goat?
You call her.
She comes when you call?
If you have food, she comes.
Like a dog?
The goat is smarter than a dog sometimes.
I have never heard this before. What is the goat's name?
Golly.